Welcome to Las Vegas. Oh, okay. Oh no, it's a notice. As long as the upper floors. It's not here. Oh, this is probably gonna be a Gen 2. Oh, it's a Gen 3! Cool! This is a new installation, okay. Alright, here we go. I like this cab. Oh shoot, can I get the chime? I gotta talk about the music. Hello? Okay, you can... I gotta talk over this music. This music's insane. It's really loud in here. Okay. Yeah, this is the Welcome to Las Vegas store. Oh, we got an inspection certificate. Who's this maintained by? Titan, I guess. Well, Gen 3 was honestly pretty unexpected. It's right at the shops at Crystals. Princess Crystals. And that's it.